Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use 4x4 on a Jeep Patriot. Your Patriot likely has one of two systems, Freedom Drive I or Freedom Drive Roman II. Freedom Drive I is a full-time all-wheel drive system, perfect for improved traction on wet or snowy roads. Freedom Drive Roman II adds a lock mode and a low-range gear, designed for more serious off-road conditions. Knowing your system is the first step to maximizing your Jeep's capabilities. With Freedom Drive I, there's no button or lever to engage. It's always active. The system intelligently monitors wheel speed and automatically sends power to the rear wheels when it senses the front wheels losing traction. This seamless operation provides extra confidence and control, especially during adverse weather conditions like rain or light snow, making your daily commute safer and more secure. For Freedom Drive Roman II, you'll find a 4WD lock button or lever, usually near your gear shifter. Engaging this locks the front and rear axles together, providing maximum traction for challenging off-road scenarios like deep mud, sand, or climbing steep, loose inclines. Remember, this mode is strictly for low-speed off-road use and should not be engaged on dry pavement to prevent drivetrain damage. Use 4WD lock when you encounter truly difficult conditions, such as navigating through deep snow, thick mud, or tackling rugged off-road trails. It provides that extra grip when you absolutely need it. Once you're back on stable, paved surfaces, remember to disengage the 4WD lock to avoid unnecessary wear on your drivetrain. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.